I don't know that you people always come this side. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to today's vlog, guys. How you all doing? I hope you are doing great, fine. If you are new to the channel, you are welcome. So today's video is all about unboxing some things I went to buy in the shop. The shop is close to my city and things are very cheap there. So let's unbox it together without wasting some time. So here is the things. First and foremost, I have Facilitator. So this Facilitator is €1.30. Then I got two because I have a newborn. I have towel. I hope you are doing great. If you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. My 10 subscriber, thanks for always coming back to watch my video. I hope you guys are seeing the beautiful color I got. Very beautiful. So I bought a Tiri. Look at the amount. It's not cost. €4 for this towel. If you go to another shop, you will get it like €10, €11, €9 something. But at the shop I got it for €4. So I saw that the towel is cheap. I decided to buy three. So here is it. Oh, bello. This is orange color. This is ash and this is green. So the reason I went to that shop, my friend baby is doing birthday on Sunday. So after dropping the keys at the school, I said let me just walk around. Nothing I'm doing at all because I left my newborn baby. My husband did not go to work. I decided to leave my baby for my husband. So I said to let me rush to that shop because if I did not go today, I might not go on Saturday because the birthday is taking place on Sunday at the church. So I saw this beautiful plate because my baby will start eating solid food. I saw this plate. I decided to buy it. How much was this plate? This plate is €2.50. The plate is €2.50. If it is another shop now, maybe you get it to like €4, €5. But in that shop, it's €2.50. Let's see. It's a very beautiful plate. And this is the pack. I want to use it to package the birthday things. The bag is very beautiful. I love it. This is for a boy because I saw pink there. Because the baby is baby boy. That is why I bought this beautiful package for him. I saw this shoe for my daughter. The shoe is very beautiful. And I saw this shoe. I decided to buy it. Mini-me. She will be very happy because she loves Mini-me so much. She's very happy. I bought size 31. Mothers, anytime mothers go to somewhere and they see something they want, they like, even if their children have all those things, my children have shoes, but I saw this shoe. I said this shoe will never pass me by. Never. I decided to buy this shoe for my daughter. Very beautiful shoe. Mini-me. And I so much love the design and the color. This is for the boy. I have 3 children. In case you are new to my channel, I have 3 children, 2 boys, 2 girls, 1 boy. So this is for the baby boy. See it. This one is size 30. This is how it look like. So this is the gift I bought for the baby boy. You know, summer is coming. I did not even buy let me just say long sleeve. I bought long sleeve, but I still bought short sleeve. So this is for summer, in case if they're in summer. So these clothes are very cheap. This €3 and very beautiful. The design and everything is giving. Is giving luxury. This is the trouser or joggers. I don't know where it's gone. Maybe this is joggers. This is giving luxury. So here is another one. This is jeans trouser. I love this jeans trouser. I wish they have for, let me say, from 5 years. And I buy it for my boy. So like I said, I wish they have for 4 to 5 years. I will buy one for my little boy. They don't have. They just have for, let me say, 18 months to 24 months. So I bought this. And look at this design. There's no much design, but the trouser is giving. It's giving. And this is the top. How do you guys see this top? Very beautiful. So I did not buy something that the baby will just wear. Like me, she will just wear for this season of winter, and he will stop wearing. But I bought something that will last longer. Even if he did not wear it for this winter, he can still wear it summer because it's very light, not thick, very light long sleeve, or he can still wear it during winter. So this the shirt is the same. That is 24 months to 36 months. So as instead of me to give her money, let me buy something that will appreciate and something that will last longer. That is why I went to buy clothes. So this dress is for trouser, and why this shirt is for this. So I think that is all. I bought sauce for myself because all my sauce, after wearing it, I will not know I keep it. Today I will be looking for one left for Abuja. I will be looking for one left for Sapele. So I decided to get this pair of sauce. How many pairs? Let me see. It's four pieces. So this 4 pieces is €2.50, and very beautiful design. I so much love this design and very mature. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So I'm done with this video. In case this video is not much clear, I'm close to the window and sun is referring to this video because I can see it around the color. But please manage the quality of the video. But I can't go anywhere now because today there is a little sun, so I decided to stay close to the window because of the natural light. In case you guys are seeing the reflection of the light inside the video, pardon, Abby, am I not correct? Pardon the video. So I'm done with this video now, and this is the end of this video, guys. If you enjoy watching this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, like, comment. For those of you that have been watching my video, I just got Belguna. People should like my video, even if you don't like the video, like for the sake, and you know, you jam me. So that is all for today, and I hope to see you all in my next video. So tired. Hello beautiful people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on watch my video for. Welcome back to another video and another vlog. So in today's vlog, guys, I'm going to hospital for checkup. So I decided to take you guys along. So that is it. How you all doing? This is my second checkup ever since I gave birth, because I gave birth with cesarean. That is C-section. It's not cesarean, man. Operation, cesarean, C-section. Anyway, so I'm going for another checkup. This is where we are. I'll go inside. Now, man, give me your hand. I'm not carrying money. Give me your hand. Why will you say yes? Sometimes you say no, I will not go with you. Give me a hand.
Please.
No problem.